Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the March Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. And I know I missed the deadline, or I guess there isn't really a deadline, but I missed sharing the February box in time. But there are a couple fun little notions in there I want to share with you from that box as well. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'll share the March box and a couple of my favorites from the February box. Okay, let's go ahead and open our March box. Today that you're watching this video is the 30th of March, so just getting this in here in the nick of time. This is the Spring Memories box, and I'm going to pull out the fabric first because I've already looked at it, and I love this collection. This is a Sweetwater collection, and let me pull out the card. It is actually called Vintage, and this is one of those collections where I feel they took some designs from some of their older collections and mixed them all together, and this is just a really fun mashup. I cannot wait to make something from this little group of fabrics. I feel like it's going to be perfect for summertime, and just really they do the best text prints. Really love their texts and their fonts. I know this is a print that they've used before with the little pennants, and just super, super cute. Love all of these prints. I feel like this one might be a new one unless it's one that I don't remember. But yeah, just really, really cute. I love the shades of these fabrics. And again, it's called Vintage. It's by Sweetwater. There is an exclusive pattern in the box. This you can only get if you get the box. And it's the Spring Flags pattern uses all of these in just a really cute little way. Okay, next up in the box, there is a foundation piecing water pen and some tweezers. And this is if you're doing a lot of foundation paper piecing, and a lot of people find that it is easier to remove their papers if they get them wet. So you can fill the reservoir in this pen up with water and just kind of slightly dampen your paper to make it easier to peel off. And the tweezers are always handy when you're doing some kind of foundation paper piecing, because it seems like there's always that one piece of paper that is stuck in the seam, and you can use that to pull it out. Okay, this I love. It's a little pin, a quilter pin, and I'm actually making a bag right now, and I am so excited to put this on the zipper pull. So really, I love when Fat Quarter Shop gives us something fun like this that we can add and embellish our projects. Okay, so this is block number 12 of their pressed flowers, the pattern that comes in each month's block, and they've also got a finishing pattern with a really cute layout. The blocks are going to be on point, and I really love the alternate blocks and how they've done this. I've really got to get going on this because I really want to make this scrappy with our fabrics. So anyway, and what this also means that it's block 12 and the finishing is that next month there will be a new 12-month quilt starting, and you'll get block number 1 next month. So I'm excited to see what that will be. Also in this box is the Triangles on a Roll by Fat Quarter Shop. This is a half square triangle paper on a roll that is really easy to use, and these are 3-inch finished. And I'm kind of wondering if they might work with this. I haven't checked yet to see. Or maybe they even work with this. Sometimes they do that, but either way, 3-inch finished is a great size and for your half square triangles, and it really does save time if you're making more than 8 of the same half square triangle. It really does save time to use the paper. And that's everything in the March box. I did want to share just a couple products that were in the February box. This one is a super bright, flexible LED craft light that you can attach to your machine, and so just get some light right down where you need it, right where you're sewing. I'm super excited to try this out. I actually had something similar to this several years ago, So I know I'm gonna love this. It's rechargeable, it's cordless, it's an LED light. Super excited about this from the February box. And then one more thing from the February box, and that is that there was a box of number 10 quilting needles included. And you can see that the packaging is so pretty. I don't want to take it out, but needles are always helpful, and these are in a little tube. So always love to get a standard thing like quilting needles. And so that's it for the March box. We will have everything linked below, and this fabric collection is available now. So if you love it, there is yardage available and pre-cuts still available, and just a really fun collection for sewing with right now. Okay, so that's it for the March Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop, along with a couple of my favorite notions from the February box. And I'll have everything linked in the description below that you can get now. And really, really love these boxes. Also, they do have a la carte boxes available, and those are just available till they sell out. So if there's a box that you really love and you're not a subscriber, you can always go and look for those a la carte boxes, and we'll have that section also linked. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.